Hi friends, we are creating perfect business websites using WordPress. As you know, every WordPress website needs a hosting and a domain name. But what if you just want to learn WordPress, test the things like theme, plugin and other resources without having a domain name and a dedicated or a hosting plan? So as in all video I used to show I'm using the cPanel based hosting, and I'm going to show you certain installation and certain steps for implementing or using on WordPress website. But what if you don't have this hosting, and even if you have yet not booked a domain name and that is not pointed to hosting, of course. So what may be the solution if you want to test things without having the hosting or the domain name? The solution may come like WebOps platform. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a free, yes, how you can create a free testing environment for a WordPress website. You can test things there, you can create new things, new website there on this test environment, make sure that everything is working fine. Then you finally decide to buy the resources like hosting, domain and all such things that you need for your website. But yes, surely you are going to test all these things on a free platform. And how you can create this free platform, that is a Sandbox site, I'm going to show you in this video. So if you are a developer and want to create a test instance for sharing with your client, with your team member, or if you are a student or learner, just want to learn the WordPress or even other platform for website development, and want to have a environment, a instance where you can install the things, learn the things. So this video is going to be helpful for you. Watch this video until end. It is a very useful platform that you can use for free without paying any rupee, without any paying any dollar, or without sharing your card details. So it is absolutely free for testing purpose. And the platform that I am talking about is WebOps platform for high impact websites, of course, and the platform is called Pantheon, and it is a platform for running exceptional web experience on one platform. So it is basically free, and you can simply create a demo or test instance for using for testing purpose or even sharing purposes. So you don't need to buy hosting, you don't need to buy domain, and you can install themes, plugin and everything with there. So let us proceed. So you just need to click on start free, and you can simply create a account here using your Gmail ID. You don't need to give much details. So I have already created an account and I am already logged in here. So here is the dashboard, and I have only created the account, not done anything else. So I am going to show you how I am proceeding with this dashboard, how I am going to use this thing for testing, creating a test environment, and how we can proceed for all rest of the things so that we may learn WordPress on this free to use platform. So after logging in, we are here on the dashboard, and we have two Sandbox sites that we can create here, and the free tier is silver. So I will definitely show you the pricing as well. If we talk about the pricing of this platform, what we are going to get in free. So I'm much focused on the free part. So silver plan is free for individuals, and it is going to give us personal workspace, integrated version control, deployment pipeline, and even chat support. So these are enough things that we can use. And if we are going to create a site here using WordPress, going to install WordPress here. So how we can proceed? Simply click on this create a new site button, and it is going to give us the choice of the platform, what kind of site we are willing to create. like WordPress, Drupal, front-end site, or custom upstream. So we are surely going to choose this WordPress one. This is our main platform where we are creating everything. Simply click on the WordPress, and here we can simply put the details what has been asked on the screen. Let us quickly fill the details. I am going to fill the WP themes maybe, and this is our URL dep, and we are going to use this thing since options of reason is here, so we can continue with this. Also, it is already exists, so we can change the things, change the details if it is available. So we have to use the thing that is available. I will put a random name like G that can be available. Yes, it is available. So it is going to the next screen and the next step, and here we have dashboard again. Deploying WordPress, deploy a CMS, Drupal, deploying CMS. These are the stages. The system is working in the background. We don't need to do anything here. So it will come automatically. WordPress will be installed as we used to install on a cPanel based hosting plan. It is working in the background. So it is super easy and simple to use. You don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. As I am showing, I'm just following the on-screen instructions and it is working fine. Deploying CMS, and it may take a while depending upon the uses, traffic, and even internet speed and also dependent factors. And now the progress bar is turned green and it is saying complete. Visit your Pantheon site dashboard. So it has been installed simply, and we can simply click on this visit your Pantheon site dashboard, and let us see what is next for us. Loading dashboard, sites, take a quick tour. Welcome to site dashboard, and okay, so we are fine. So here is our development mode or GIT hub. So SFTP is our development mode, and we can go for next steps. Let me show you quickly what is available here and how we can proceed. So first thing, this is a sandbox environment, and this such environment can be widely used or well used for development instances. So you can create things here, you can share with the team, and all the details can be used for testing purposes. There are three modes. Either it can be in development mode or in the test mode or in the live mode. So it totally depends on you how you want to proceed. In the development mode, you will get features for development of the website. Similarly, in the test mode, you can test the websites, and you can initialize the test environment, like test your changes in a separate dedicated environment. If it works, test will work on the live. So in the initial stage, you can use things for development. Further, you can go in the test mode, or finally you can change the live mode when you feel your website is complete. So it is all for testing purpose, and there are steps, technical steps. So let us not jump in the deep technical things. I am also only willing to show you how you can create a free instance for testing and learning purposes. Like if you are a developer, you might be knowing the code and the merging, what the code merging thing, and how the status can be changed, or how the database, and how we can clone, import, and wipe out the things, and how we can take the backups. All it is available. It totally depends how you want to proceed and how you want to use. And further, one more thing, if we are in SFTP mode, we have all the connection details here. So don't use these credentials. This is for me and it is just for testing purpose. Don't use the keys and all. So like this is the host, the username and the password. And if we check the connection info, all the details can be used here. All the details are here. As I said, clone URL, the database information is here, database username, the port and the host name, and all such things that you may need for development purpose is available on this screen. So it is really a very good thing, and that you are getting all these things, all the development environment for absolutely free. I have not paid any penny, any amount for reaching on this screen, and even I have not shared any card details. So keep in mind, it is absolutely free as I am showing you. Now let us come to the point, since we are intended to have a WordPress environment. So let us leave this technical screen and let us jump to the WordPress site admin, WordPress admin. So I am clicking on this site admin. So this is the button site admin where we can reach and use the WordPress site. So this is WordPress installation screen. As we used to get a fresh installation of WordPress, it is the same steps. It is very good learning screen. You can learn step by step how you are going to install WordPress and all. So let us follow the on-screen requirements. So I have selected English, United States, and going to the continue tab. Here we can put the site title. So like we can keep the WP themes and we can use the username. So this is username like WP themes again can be username. So it is totally different for you. You have to put your own site name and username, of course, and you can generate the password here. And I am repeating again, these credentials are only for me. It is using for test purposes. Don't try to use these credentials. It will not be available for you and it is not recommended you may follow. So you have to do all these things at your own. For your instance, you have to create your own instance. So since it is free, you can create for yourself as well. And I'm going to copy this username and password for further uses. Okay, so I have filled the details, copied the credentials here. You are also advised to do the same. And discourage search engine can be a good idea since it is just a taste thing. So you can later encourage the search engine if you are using the website in real sense, but discourage is a good idea since you are going to place your details. Like details means on the live environment, on the live website, as we put the content and the basic information on the website. So it may be indexed on the search engine. So it is a good idea for a test instance. The search engine may be discouraged. Okay, so all things as we install in a fresh WordPress. So install WordPress is here and we can proceed with this. Now it has been installed and we can simply go to the login. Once we click on the login, we are going to get this our website address. This is a temporary address. So temporary means it is available, but it is not like a real domain name. You can copy this URL and it is going to your website address if you are going to use it and the real sense as well. So we have two options. Either we can return on the Pantheon, just in case, if you want to return it here, and if you want to log in, we can do this. So since we have already copied the username and password, so we are going to place the same username and password. So I'm going to paste the password here. And further you can keep it remember if you are going to use it again and again. And yes, so we have successfully logged in a fresh installation of WordPress. Like all other installation of WordPress, we have this all, and this is completely free for our users. We can check the appearance, the themes are here, and we can update the things whatever we are going to use. It is everything is especially made for us, I mean for me in this case, and I can go with this installation for using it for a testing purpose or learning purpose or even for generating a website here from here. All sets and subsets are as in general WordPress. You can install new theme here. You have everything, but one thing I must wish to show you that is really very important. I'll show you the site health. What are the configuration that had been provided in this test instance? So this is site health, and if I can show you the information about this hosting. So this is WordPress and the directory and the sizes. So and directory size is clear here, and the active theme inactive. So I wish to show you the server directly. So this is a free server, but yes, it is offering us server architecture is Linux. This is the version. The web server is Ninjax, and the PHP version we are getting the latest one. However, 8.2 or 3 is also available, but yes, 8.1 is also sufficiently latest. And PHP SAPI and the max input variables has been given 10,000. Okay, so it is good figure for testing purpose. Maximum time limit is further. You can change all these details. I mean, you can increase these limits as I have shown in the earlier videos, how you can change the PHP INI values, how you can increase the PHP memory and all such things. All such videos, all such tutorials are well available on this channel, and I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. So I'm much interested in showing you how you can create a pre-instance like I created for testing the WordPress and all such things. All such things means plugin or whatever you want to test. Why this test instance, such test instance is necessary for you? As I always used to say, don't install any theme or plugin you got from unauthenticated sources or you are not going to use at your live website. It is really very, very important from the security and even from the future end perspectives that you should not test the things on your live installation just for testing. So you should always have a clone environment, a separate website for testing purposes, and you should only test the things on a development mode or pre-development mode. And once you are confident about the plugin or the thing that you are willing to implement, you can go for live website, implementing the same on the live website. This is the purpose of creating test instances, and at the iCreate program, we never used to deploy things on the real installation. All we used to test first, check the values and how it is working, then we only deploy on the main site. So this is the purpose how you can go for the development mode. For on the test mode, you can initialize the test environment. Once you clear the development stages, you can go to the test environment. And since we have successfully installed the things here, okay, where it is, yes, so we have successfully installed the WordPress here. You can go for adding new theme on this screen, so you can use the same pattern, same steps as I used to show you in different videos. For installing a theme, you can simply upload a themes by following the same method. You can upload a new plugin by adding new plugin screen. So you can even use free starter templates that is available in term of plugin. Like if you are willing to have a starter template, so you can simply go for starter template. Okay, so not like theme. So you can use this starter templates, Elementor, WordPress, Viewer Builder. So you can simply use this. Like I'm going to install this and activate this. So this will give us a starter template to create a website, and we can go with this. And once you install this plugin, it has got already 1+ million active installations, so it is very popular, and it is coming from Brainstorm 4. So you can simply click on the appearance and the starter template will be available here. So you can simply go for starter templates and choose your desired goal and objective. Like if you want to use AI website builder, you can try the AI website builder. However, it is a paid thing. So, but yes, it can be available for limited extent, and you can select the classic starter templates, or even you can go to the dashboard again. So built with templates, so you can choose this one as well. So these are the available templates that we can directly use at our website. So let us assume we are going to, okay, so let me come again.
Dismiss. I'm going to choose any template like this can be good for us for a moment, and we can continue with this. Select features, donation, automate integration, sales funnels, and the video players, and we can simply continue with this. And we can fill all the details like tell us what you about yourself and all. So I'm not going to complete this because I'm just willing to show you the steps that you can use, and you can use in a starter template for making a demo website. So this is all for you, and it is here. And I have not filled the details, but yes, this template is available. So you can simply continue with your selected template, and you can create a website for you without buying any theme, without buying any plugin. It is complete. So I just changed my mind. I'm going to fill all the details so that I must show you the complete things. Continue, and your first name. I'm just putting a demo name, Sumo G.net. Don't use this email. I'm not available on this email. I am intermediate. I am the website for myself. And okay, so advanced options: install, activate the extra theme, and customizer, import widgets. Okay, so we can go with this. And it is building our website, and it is going through. Let us wait until the progress bar reaches 200%. Okay, so congratulations messages here, and your website is ready, and it took just 1.7 minutes to build. Great. Visit your website. So simply click on this, and we are here. So our website is ready, and it is really cool, and we can proceed with this starter template. We paid nothing, and our website is ready. We can go for further customization as we used to do with the real themes and the real plugins, just like the same things. So I'll show you the rest of the things, like connect your plugins and apps together with your organ. Like these are all very fun things. Astra is here. Astra is installed, so we can go to the Astra dashboard and use the customized things like header builder and all such things that is available with the Astra is here now. We can go for customization, and we have all the control as we have generally in WordPress. So we can change the things. It is simply going to be very easy, and we can simply change the details here, like more options available in the Astra Pro, global changes, typography, and all such things. Like we are going to make actual websites. So these are home page settings, and then I'm just willing to show you some screens. And if we talk about the pages, so all the pages here, like about us, contact, portfolio, and that. So if we want to edit the things, so simply click on the front page and the edit option, and we can simply edit the details being shown on the page. So it is loaded, and now we can simply change the details. Even you can use the AI theme for writing the content, and it is totally up to you how you can proceed with the customization. It is very easy to use interface. You can use all these details, and you can simply change the content and launch your website. So you can even use this URL for your personal website, not only just for learning purpose, and your website will be live without any future payment as well. So you are going to use this instance and environment absolutely free for all the time. There is no limitation up to this level I have shown. So it is going to be a perfect solution for learning objectives, or even for launching a basic website that you can use for your purposes. And I'm coming back again. This is our dashboard, and we can use the things like if you feel that you have completed the development phase, you can change the things like in the test environment, like we have already installed a WordPress here, and we can also collaborate with the team, and we can keep it in autopilot and also things. And if we talk about the setting thing, it is free and completely free. The account plan is silver and it is not asking any money to pay. And the payment further, if you want to change the plan, you can of course change the plan. And coming back to the dashboard, this is similar. And so one another thing, you can migrate the existing site. Like if you have already a WordPress installation with you, you can even use this migrate thing, and you can import the existing WordPress website to this environment, and you can start using editing or customization or testing. So this is also a very good thing that is available with the Pantheon, and you can use this feature as well. So what is necessary to do? Currently we are at development stage. Once you complete your website or willing to test multiple things, you can initialize the test environment simply going in this tab and initialize the test environment, so that test your changes, you may run test your changes and all the testing activities can be done. Create an environment, test is going on. So these are the development phases of the website generally we are using, and this is the standard format of creating any website. Technically it is very important part, and you have to follow the same procedure for making your website live. And even you are creating your website on the actual domain, so you should follow the same procedure so that all standard you may maintain. Test environment is created. Similarly, you can go to the live environment once you believe you have done all the things and you are confident. You can deploy it. So you can deploy your changes on the live site once you have reviewed the changes in the test. Remember, it works on the test and it will work on live. So what you have to remember, if it works on the test, it will work on live. So you can go for live once you tested all the things. So initialize live environment is necessary before you are actually willing to launch your website. So the process is very simple, and you have to use the steps for launching your website on the Pantheon. And if you are willing to check the actual theme even, so it is not recommended because you are not using the actual domain name here. So if you are exploring to install all these things on a domain, it is definitely advised to use actual hosting like cPanel based hosting. And you can even explore the plans available at Pantheon, through which you can actually deploy the things on a live environment. So all these steps and all these elements, all this infrastructure and environment is very useful for development of a successful website. And you can learn the things here, you can deploy the things here, you can test all the things here, and once you are confident, you can actually build a wonderful website. I believe this video remained helpful in understanding all the things about the Sandbox site and the WebOps options, what exactly the original developers and the expert developers, which steps have been followed and what are the actual steps they actually follow. So these things can be really helpful in creating the future projects, and you are going to use this. And you can use the workflows as well. You can integrate with the team as I shown. So everything like a professional, and you are going to be a professional using these tools. Now for my website, live is clear, live is created, and the deploy log can be seen here. Workflows can be seen. So what has been done, like deployed code to live and clone files from tester. So workflows, you can see here what has been done, like we do in the GitHub or other repository for developing the things. And finally, my website is here, and this is live in all case, and I can further go for editing the page and other the details. So let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.